Not have any bottles on the river. That's against the law also. If you have cans, that's okay. You should not have bottles on the river. If you do have them, you should get rid of them, put them in the car right now. Sorry. It's okay. Basically what your trip looks like. It's an 11-mile trip. Takes about 4.5 hours. River's moving pretty good, so it might take on the 4-hour side. Okay? Bushkill boat launch. You'll know you get there when it's on the right-hand side of the river. Okay, you'll see the river and the road get really close together. Okay, you'll be able to see the road from the river. There is one paved boat launch, but you want to go past that boat launch, about another 50 yards, and you'll see a kind of a rocky little beach with a paved walkway. Okay, that's where you want to pull in. That's the canoe launch. You'll also see a bathhouse similar to the one up here. You'll see a bathhouse just like that. If you need to go to the bathroom, you can go there. Up on that bathhouse, there's a payphone. Okay, that's where you want to give us a phone call from. Call 1-800-FLOW-KC. Just one of you do it. The number is on the paddles. It's on the back of the jackets. It's on the boat. You can't forget it if you wanted to. Okay, just give us a call from there. Let us know what your group is that you're in, and we'll send some van downs there to pick you up. Okay. Should be in by 5 o'clock.
What are you looking at?
The rock.
Where? Where do you see it?
Pretty.
Oh, fish just jumped.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. It's a little deep, that's why.
Where's my father?
Huh? He's right there.
Hi, Carla.
Hey! River water. I got river water in my beer. It's clean. You can drink this water if you had to. Hey!
Okay.
Oh, you're happy with food in your hand, huh?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. The river don't bother you now, huh?
She says, I'm glad I'm not with Tasha and Julio no more.
Yeah, not mommy.
She's out of the boat now, it's
Yeah.
Tasha.
I'm
I'm gonna get away from that
boat. It's
Tasha
no
chick.
more mommy, it's Tasha. She says she's out of the boat. There's no more mommy, it's Tasha.
She said, I'm glad I'm not with Tasha.
I'm not with Tasha.
Okay, I gotta fade out. We're going into some rapids. Hold on, give me a minute. Here's Sonia. Close up a pop. Watch out, I can't tip with this.
It'll be nice too, you know. There won't be no mud. We can walk right up on shore.
Tasha! Julio!
Hey, good. The only thing that's going to help you out.
Help! Help!
Ain't no left turning, no parking zone.
Let's have a close up here. Hello.
I'm bringing the cleaner along.
Here you go. Help!
We don't want to go in the bushes. Don't go in the green, Nick. Nick, don't go by them weeds.
Okay, Miss Morgan, the Queen of Sheba.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
My buddy, he was in a dream, and a red monster came out of his dream, and the red monster said, hey, that's what you think.
Dad.
Oh, that's the name of our drive. Blue Herring Drive.
right there.
That's going to be built.
Oh, really? Is it really?
Yeah.
got a lot of Bryce iced tea and water.
Any beer left?
Okay, let's paddle.
Every year we do. Every year you run out.
How come we're going this way?
We just got caught one at a time.
Everyone wave to that camera.
Oh, yeah, Karen's getting turned again.
Oh, what's up there? Oh, is it really?
The precious outhouse.
Russ, guys, any tree around here?
Leave them on.
Al, you all right? Yeah. Look, you're cold.
It's always cold.
You want us to ride now?
Transfer it here or what? What's up, Alfalfa?
Did you tell when you pulled Julio? Pull Julio,
What? Here before? There is an outhouse up there.
Oh, nice.
There's mine right there.
I gotta use that house too, but I'll wait there everybody else.
Oh, man.
I was going in the bushes somewhere.
Why? You pressed on the thing?
I got going in the bushes. I was going in the bushes.
Oh, go ahead.
I need some tissue paper down.
Oh, you got to do that? There's napkins in our bag. Wow.
I better go down. I'll just need to find some soup.
Hey, why don't you take a picture by the fountain?
When it's coming
Be
down.
careful going down. Don't fall.
I filmed when I was coming down. I'll turn around.
I'll cough a squat before I go in there.
There's ants in that spider web.
Oh, really scare her away. Where's Morgan?
There's the outhouse and Jennifer's in it.
We should hold the door on her.
Oh.
John Paul tipped over someone in a porta potty.
Oh no.
I don't know if I should pop a squat or should I try there.
Hold your nose. It's not bad. Put toilet paper over your nose. That's what I did.
Here she comes. How elegant.
Is it dark in there?
Graceful. Feels so fresh.
Is it dark in there?
Is it dark in there? No, it's not bad. It's actually better than camp because in camp they were like wood. And it was just.
I actually have to pee myself, but
So do I.
Thinking I should go now.
It's not that bad.
Pure water.
Yeah. Toilet paper in there? Yeah. You know what's funny though? You pee and it actually doesn't hit the ground for a couple minutes.
Yeah, you can hear it. The chasm.
It's really funny.
Bottomless pit.
You want me to hold the door open for you? Come on,
No, it's not that
you
bad.
peed in worse places. Come on.
I know.
Yeah, I mean, my God.
let's see. Let me
It's not that bad.
let me see.
I mean, I was just about to go in too.
Let me see. Oh, that's not too bad.
Are you filming it?
Yes.
I can't wait to watch that. Yeah, it was me walking out. That is a true outhouse, huh?
No.
It's country style. Keep pumping. Yeah, it'll come out.
It'll come out.
Good drinking water.
All right, so you want me to tell everybody how you get stuck with me?
What? No.
You're fine. You're doing good.
Yeah,
There's toilet
there's
paper
paper
in
in there, but I prefer to use my own.
You gotta look for the big
Actually,
Ow,
it's
it's right
angel
there.
sauce.
Christ, we're still going cannon? I haven't got into
Here's another dog.
on the other
Unless
side.
it's Gary or somebody.
The dog on the other side.
Yeah. That's the outhouse?
Yes, it is. And Marty's in the outhouse. Here he comes.
Hold this door open.
You got any air freshener?
Light a match.
Don't light a match when you're in there. No smoking. You'll explode.
And your wedding, A to Z? We'll have to see what money we have, A to Z.
You still want to move out with us? I don't know. It's my business, so on your toe sale.
You still want to move out with us, right?
No. Mom, do you have any sunblocks?
I don't, Marty, did we bring the
I
sunblock?
got 4 yellow bags. I got 4. I got some 15 or 30 in my brother. See that yellow bag right there? See that yellow bag? You got right here. You guys everybody. Oh, you walk.
Morgan and Hope, what do you think of the trip so far?
Good.
Good? Having fun?
Yeah.
Great. Did you see any big fish?
I saw cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs?
How you doing, Em?
We seen a snake. And I seen a blue herring.
Where?
On the river.
Somebody will eat it.
Where's Tasha and Julio?
They're gone.
Oh, they're already gone there?
Julio's pounding his ass out.
There they are.
I know, turn down there.
Watch out, Mark.
We're ran.
Ram it down.
We have the Queen of Sheba. Get it on.
Keep going. You got about 20 more yards.
Yeah, that's why it's...
You know what that is? That's the Hercules Rod and Gun Club.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's some people that still have land
Still have
holdings,
left.
you
I have a
know.
friend that
These guys don't live early
Body
year
kiss
round.
anymore, are they?
No, that's definitely... That Cox Island? No, that was done a long time.
Can I get one?
God bless you. You want to sit in the center, Morgan?
Come on, girls, paddle. Let's go. Let's go.
Up over here.
Let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing?
Here we go. Keep paddling.
On my lap?
On the river.
Not here, there is.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's called a floating barge.
Okay, now we go.
We got a dragonfly in the boat.
Wow.
Making a Call me a barge captain.
Large cat.
In Mississippi.
Here's the barge captain. Barge captain, did you do your
Not enough horsepower.
did you do your sanitary condition things this morning? Did you Put on, take a shower, get your hair
I
cut.
gotta go to the bathroom.
Uh-oh.
Come sit on my seat. I'm gonna move back. Yeah, sit down on that seat. Oh! Alright. Up right here.
Tommy.
Morgan, do you have to go to the bathroom? Morgan, do you have to go to the bathroom? She says no. She says no. Are you sure? Because we have to go back in the car.
I don't need to go.
Yeah, you do.
I don't have to. I went too much times. I don't even have to go.
Pick your pants up. You're going to have to go back wet. Morgan, pick your pants up.
I found 2 stellars.
You did. Nice.
I'm a deer, I'm a deer, I'm a deer. Rocky, rocky,
Morgan.
And then I'll I don't have to go because I don't really have fun.
We have bottled water in the cooler. I think there's a couple bottles. Oh, you're exhausted, Pete. Pete, let's take a picture. Here's the exhausted family after their first time on the river.
You're doing okay. Wait till tomorrow.
You're not tired? I hope not.
Have the turkey. Anybody need any Advil?
Not yet.
No, it's not a pop bag. Left that home. Come on, we gotta put the stuff in there.
You got anything good?
Get that nose.
Yeah,
We have
about
a tissue?
12 miles.
Your face.
Hills are following us.
You don't want to go
Why
like
are
that.
they following us? Haven't they had enough of us today?
Hey, hey.
Where the monkey is.
Get back.
Just right, I'll take a picture of your beady head.
Say it right.
Where's Cagney?
On the
Gee,
floor.
I wonder what's down there.
So you thought it was funny when I fell?
Mr. Fumble's head is down there
Did you think it
now.
was funny when I fell down? When I fell down?
Don't you know
Yeah,
where
when you slip.
When I slipped, you thought it was funny?
Good jacket.
Cut all the dirt on your What's that? Who cares? We're in a orphanage. It's a hard not nice for us.
Yay!
Who's the man? Gonna be his name. S-A-N-T-A, 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 and Santa be his name.
Theo, I hope Theo. Graduation song, oh.
Baby chicks are singing, pio, pio, pio. Mama, we are hungry. Mama, we are cold. Mama looks for wings. Mama looks for corn. Mama feeds and dinner. Mama eats a worm under Mama's wings, sleeping in the hay. Baby chicks are huddled until the next day. Los pollitos dicen, pio, pio, pio. Cuando tiene hambre, cuando tiene frío.
aiming on the way.
Finish off star. Overfish with subway.
Finish it. Don't finish. Like, how about finish it? Which song was it?
If she jump up in your car, you gotta help her all the time. Yeah.
Are you just saying that to bust my chops or what?
Does she? I know.
She doesn't get up.
She's up to 8, right? Right?
Oh, look at them.
They swim
Twitch.
yet?
Yeah, they swim.
Did you let them swim yet?
Okay, I want to put these in the back. Here. Just want to put them in the back. Sorry, thanks.
Here, Marty. They coming back off the river yet or no? Oh, thank you. Thank you for carrying that for me, Hope. Go ahead and give Uncle Marty. You put it in the car.
Alright, all the colors.
Nice boots, Dad.
Yeah.
I didn't bring mine. I thought it was going to be like cold, you know? But I don't know, if I had legs like those, I'd go these on. Come on, everybody look.
Take a picture.
Come on, hurry up.
The same legs as him.
Right?
Hey, R2, how are you, man?
What's up, Gary?
Hey, that's
How do you like look at how I dress?
Oh, Marty, you should have worn
I
those.
like that, yes, very you. Sister Karen.
Hi.
Hello.
No, we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be fun.
Red eye.
Smile.
I can't believe Gary tore out.
It's like a school bus. I'm hoping.
Tore out. Hey, erase that, Gary.
Okay.
Canoes behind us, Hopi. Look at the canoes. Check out the canoes, Hopi.
Jeez, Gary.
No.
Be careful what you say.
Yeah, Marty, he's gonna be
Yo, we had one for video, and we're talking about the Portuguese lady at work.
Oh, no.
He said, Moss Bunker don't want us to like, because he looks like a fish. And we were on a videotape. We brought it to work one day. Some guys wanted to see it, and they were all listening to it. We're going to tell Isabel you're calling him Moss Bunker.
Okay. Randy.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Oh, no. It's the camera lady.
Where's Daddy?
He's all the way up in the front.
All the way up in the front?
Get your father.
Yeah, he's all the way up front. Oh, I just got the back in Marty's neck. Oh, okay.
Get them 2 zips.
Oh, I can't even see them. Yeah.
You ever canoed before?
I got when I was a little kid, but that's it.
Next June, first weekend in June, we go to Crayfish Festival every year. With live music and everything, and make Nicole bring it. Eat mud bugs, alligator sausage, catfish. Where is it?
Up at Waterloo Village.
Great, good time. Is that New York? Oh, you missed it. We had a good time. You gotta come next year. Yeah, you have to go.
Come here, Nicole.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Run with Nicole.
Hey, Bones, give me a light. Ow.
No, right here we go. We're not leaving yet. Move.
Watch out, I gotta bring Brethren.
We're like 4-time Grammy winner and shit. It's good. Oh, yeah. Alligator sausage, catfish. This question we pick up, they make the best.
Good Cajun food, huh?
Right? Fun.
Hey, Bones, give me a light.
I'm going with Nicole. Look.
Chairs and a big
Lawn
blanket.
chairs, yeah.
Just sit right out. Everybody's friendly and stuff.
That sounds good.
What are you doing with shower shoes, Tom? Shower shoes.
I took my $30
Shower shoes.
shower shoes.
I gotta get there for work.
Nicole got them for me yesterday.
Ain't ready, Nicole, you bite.
That's mine.
Oh, yeah.
It was.
No, it still is.
I think it was.
Where is
They're still picking up the garbage.
out there? Holy. He's serious about
Yeah, he's serious.
environmentalologist.
Can.
I want a sandwich.
But he wasn't that way in the
Give her one of
service.
ours. We got sandwiches.
Come on.
He was that way in the
Imagine
service.
if everybody was like this, it would be no little. We'd be looking for it.
They'll be looking for it. That's
Right here. Stay.
you have to go to Central Park.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Want a peanut butter or ham and mustard? Don't choke her, be careful. Ham and mustard, no? You want ham and mustard?
Good.
You like mustard? You sure?
Like Gregory has.
What do you have?
Grandpa,
Bologna?
get
You don't like
stuff all
bologna.
over your
That's
face.
I don't like it.
bologna. Don't be like grandpa, right?
Do you want peanut butter and jelly or ham and mustard?
Peanut butter. Jelly.
You want peanut butter and jelly? I got peanut butter and jelly.
I just got that.
Wait, I'll take it.
Don't you dare. Act respectable.
There you go.
Happy Father's Day.
Good
Yeah.
thing you're not in
God
my
bless
car.
every
Can I get the other piece later?
I'll
God
take
bless
it
them
back.
nuts
Good
that
thing
went
you're
out
not
on
in
the
my
river.
car now. You've eaten that sandwich yet. Glad thing you're not in my
How you
car.
doing, Hobie? You warm? That girl. Good little trooper.
You just got it.
He got it? Oh, God, she's going to eat it all.
Can't get mine. That's bag me.
Oh, that's sandwich, Rob? You sandwich?
No, I'm good.
Sure, I got enough for her here.
I'm good.
Well, she can't eat this.
I've been eating those cheese things all day.
She ate one.
She ate one.
Garbage patrol is back. There's Sonia. What happened to Sonia and Bones?
What?
Did you find a lot of garbage?
We saw a bald eagle right there. Like
Good.
It was, we were picking up the garbage, and it was sitting right there, and big white head and a big tail. And then we
great.
just stopped and we watched it for a while, and then it flew across.
Wow, you
tried
found
to
a lot
get
of garbage, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
You'll be out there forever. There it is. The evidence.
That's another tie. Pick it up.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Wish we went longer, but
I
if it was a
know.
nicer day, it would have been
Oh,
better.
yeah. It was a little chilly
fun.
there.
Still fun. What time is it? About 12 or something?
It's about probably almost 1 now. Time we get back, we get a stride walk.
We saw both.
You and both ran left.
What?
You both ran left.
Oh!
I would have asked Uncle Billy.
Eric Costello?
A sandwich.
Heavy?
What is that in